Dog. Dogs are loyal and friendly pets. They have been kept as pets for thousands of years and have been loyal human companions since ancient times. There are many different breeds of dogs with unique physical characteristics and traits. Several types of dogs, such as the Golden Retriever, Labrador Retriever, and Beagle, are very popular as pets because of their friendly personality and easy to train. Dogs can be trained to perform a variety of tasks, such as assisting the blind, detecting explosives, and searching for victims in a disaster. They are also often used as tracking animals in the police and military. Rooster. The rooster, or also known as the rooster, has an especially aggressive nature towards other roosters. They are often allowed to fight in cockfighting matches, although this practice is highly controversial and banned in many countries. Roosters have a different physical appearance than hens. They usually have brighter plumage, larger body size, and longer wings. They also have a larger crest or breast, which is a hallmark of certain breeds of roosters. The rooster is often seen as a symbol of courage and strength in popular culture. They are frequently depicted in art, film, and literature, especially in the context of fighting or fighting. Some cultures even have rituals or ceremonies involving roosters, such as in the Philippines, where cockfighting is a popular tradition. Hen. Hens are livestock animals that are often kept for their eggs. Adult hens can usually produce around 250 to 300 eggs per year depending on breed and care. Hens are usually smaller than roosters and have a paler plumage. They also have a distinctive sign in the form of a brush or crested on the head, which can be characteristic of certain types of hens. Hens often live in social groups consisting of several hens and one rooster. Hens can form social hierarchies within the group, with the more dominant cock taking the lead and gaining access to better resources. Pig. Pigs are livestock which are often kept for their meat. Pork is considered a cheap and delicious source of protein and is used in many cuisines around the world. Pigs have the ability to adapt to various environments and living conditions and can be found in almost all regions of the world. They are social and can live in large or small groups. Pigs have the ability to remember faces and smells of certain people and can distinguish between familiar and unfamiliar people. They are also very intelligent and can be trained to perform various tasks, such as finding trunk or even painting with paint.